Hosting a barbecue or backyard event? Why not show off your favorite videos? Upcoming trade show? Include a TV for digital content. Lacking student engagement? Add some digital content. Rental? Condo? No TV mounting space? Sounds like you need a mobile TV cart. Boost Industries AVC3265ii supports 32-inch to 80-inch TVs. The best part? This puppy assembles in 6 easy steps. Let us show you how. Step 1. Attach the wheels to the base. Step 2. Attach the columns. Note, columns are height adjustable. Step 3. Attach the optional media shelf. Note, this shelf is included. Secure the shelf to the columns. Step 4. Attach the TV bracket. Step 5. Attach the TV arms. Step 6. Attach metal safety security locks. Use the included cable management channels to hide your messy cables. Get the gear at avgearshop.com. Proudly Canadian.